Hi, let's discuss the solution of the given question. Here the question is, consider f of x equal to tan inverse of in the bracket square root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x where x belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2. A normal to y equal to f of x at x equal to pi by 6 also passes through the point. Here our task is to calculate the equation of a normal to the given curve y equal to f of x at x equal to pi by 6 passes through which of the following point. That is our task. Now first we have to find the equation of a normal and then we have to think about a correct coordinate, that is correct option. Let's start the solution. Solution: given curve f of x equals to tan inverse of within the bracket square root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. Now where x belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Yes, suppose if you observe the tan inverse of theta is here square root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. There is a standard formula in trigonometry. I will write here. See, square root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x equals to tan of, many times we proved in the class also, tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now you can write the given function f of x equals to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So ultimately you can apply tan inverse of tan theta, which is equals to theta. So now f of x becomes tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now f of x equals to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So we calculated the function f of x. And next we have to focus on, we have to calculate y equal to f of x at x equal to pi by 6. Take x equal to pi by 6. Take x equal to pi by 6. f of pi by 6 equal to pi by 4 plus pi by 6 by 2 means pi by 12. 12 is LCM. So there is a 3 pi plus 5. 3 pi by 12 means pi by 3. So now finally we calculated the coordinate, that is at x equal to pi by 6 means y value is pi by 3. So at this point we have to calculate the equation of a normal. So we have the point. Now our task is to calculate the slope of a normal. So first we calculate the slope of a tangent. So slope of a tangent means f dash of x, which is equal to the derivative of pi by 4 means 0, it is a constant. The derivative of x by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So f dash of x at x equal to pi by 6, it is a constant function. So it is 1 by 2. So the slope of a tangent equals to 1 by 2. Clearly we know the slope of a tangent into slope of a normal equal to minus 1. Products of slopes equal to products of slopes of tangent and normal equals to minus 1. So we know the slope of a tangent 1 by 2. This is slope of a normal. So finally the slope of normal equal to minus 2. So we have now the coordinate and we have the slope. Now you can apply this formula, slope point formula, that is equation of a line passing through x1 y1 and having slope m is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now so this implies y minus y1 is pi by 3, which is equals to minus 2 into x minus pi by 6. This is what? Equation of a normal. In the next step we have to find out a correct coordinate, so through which normal has to passes. So first let's cross check the first option. Take the coordinate at 0 comma 2 pi by 3. So now substitute, if it satisfies, this is the correct option. So in the next step this implies, what is the y value? This is x, this is y. So 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3, which is equals to minus 2 into x value is 0. So minus of minus plus 2 into pi by 6. So this implies 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3, simply pi by 3. So LCM is 3. That's what pi by 3, which is equals to how many times? 3 times. Pi by 3 equal to pi by 3. It's satisfying. So the correct option is right option. So the remaining options are incorrect. This is what final result. So here at last, what is the process we applied here? Simply we find f of x by using this formula, that is square root of, very important result in trigonometry, 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x equals to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. and then we find out the required coordinate at which we have to calculate the equation of a normal, and then we find the slope of a normal. Finally we calculated the equation of a normal, and then we substituted first coordinate into the equation of normal. It satisfies clearly, it is a correct option. Thanks for watching. All the best.